It's Alex the Boat Guy, and today we're taking a look at this little Bayliner 3058. It's been incredibly well looked after. A lot of work done, upgrades, etc. Recently the leg was removed and upgraded and serviced, as well as a new gimbal. The motor as well was replaced in 2005, was recently removed, everything painted, cleaned, and the same motor went back in, so that's all ready to go. Great little boat. If you'd like to get into boating for a very economical price, this is perfect. Currently this boat is out of the water. Taking a look at the bow here. It's been cleaned, it's been polished. And taking a look at the leg here, you can see that's been recently removed, completely primed with the correct zinc primer, as well as painted with the correct mercury paint, and a brand new gimbal installed. As well, this boat has trim tabs here, you can see. Those have been cleaned up and painted. Taking a look at this boat now, you can see the cockpit is actually substantially large for a 30-foot boat. Easily enough room for a couple of chairs. This hatch here also gives you access to the engine room. It has been sitting outside for a little while now, so the cockpit does have a bit of residual debris, but taking a look at the engine hatch here, probably one of the cleanest engine rooms you could see on a 30-year-old vessel. It is the 7.4 liter GM V8 gas engine. This engine was replaced in 2005, and then in 2017 had the risers and manifolds, etc. replaced. We estimate it to have about 800 hours. And taking a look down below now, on the 3058, you have a dinette on the port side. You have your kids cabin or guest cabin. You have your guest cabin or kids cabin here on the port side that tucks in under the settee. Looking forward now, Helm, forward starboard side. All the upholstery is in great condition. There have been a few upgrades such as wiring, etc. This little Garmin plotter there has been added on the lower helm, as well on the upper helm there is another version of that, a larger version. All your controls right here. Looking off port side now, your dinette again is on port. Potentially that would convert to a berth, although I have not seen it in that configuration. Moving forward then, you have your galley on the port side. There is a proper refrigerator here. Confirmed, it is a refrigerator with ice maker. Microwave, that would be a shore power item likely, or potentially inverter. And then the Bayliner alcohol electric stove. So you can function there with that one at anchor with the alcohol. Across from the galley, you have the head. It's an enclosed head. It's pretty clean. It has ventilation. It does have a handheld shower. As well, I believe the toilet was replaced not too long ago. And I believe it's electric. I would have to double check on that. And going forward now, the V-berth. It's a pretty cozy space. That center piece would be removable then if you want to have two separate people sleeping here, or leave it in and make it a large double. All the lights work, hatches, no leaks, pretty clean, it's been well looked after. Looking aft, the salon, as well as the helm. Taking a look now at the upper helm. You have your engine controls, switching, radio, as well. There is another plotter, plugs into this location here. Canvas cover, as well as your passenger seating, which is actually in good condition. A retractable bimini top. That's a good option to have for summer use. And the helm chair was replaced recently. Taking a look out over the bow from the helm, upper helm. And this concludes the tour of the little Bayliner 3058. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Obviously, any questions you can post below, and let me know if you're interested at all. Thanks for watching.